First quarter. Hagnaya versus Balod for the Fiesta of Barangay Balod, Salcedo, Eastern Samar. Fiesta 2026. Bola ng Balod. Wala, sayang. Open na open. Bola ng Hagnaya. Bagon. Robias, back to Bagon. Naagaw ni Iski. Naagaw uli. La Canaria, titira ng 3. Bang! Wala. Tambulugan. Yasong. Outside. Bola ng Hagnaya. Shout out kay referee Tito Idang. Nice rip. Robias 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Makatumbas. Makatumbas to Dasig to Iski Chairman Abukot. Yes, Porto by Iski Chairman Jikaril Abukot.
Number 13 to number 16.
Lakab.
Number 13
La Canaria.
to
Bang!
basket.
3 points. La Canaria. Hagnaya. Iski Chairman. Dasig. Nagpick. Bumumba. Double pick. Wala. First quarter tayo. Bagon. Tira ng 3. Dasig. Tambulugan. To Iski. Last touch by Iski. Masaya ang audience. Shout out, shout out.
20 to shoot. 15 to shoot.
Lakabi. To Bagon.
10 to shoot.
To Robias. Bumangga. Wala. Rebound by Makatumbas. To Dasig. Masayang audience. Pagbiasan. Nice. Follow up.
Shoot.
Bola ng Hagnaya.
To shoot. 10 minutes and 40. 10 to shoot.
La Canaria, bumimba na naman. May foul. Basket discount. Set by the referee Tito Idang.
Basket number 5.
Bonus throw. Yes.
Basket.
Complete. Ang daming punch na Makatumbas.
City.
City 3 in favor of Balod. Abi. Bagon. Abi. Bang. Wala. Labas ang bola.
10 minutes.
Last 2 minutes, first quarter.
To shoot. 1 minute and 57. 15 to shoot.
Robias. Yes.
Basket.
Power moves by Valentin Robias. Dasig. Tumakatumbas.
1 minute and 40.
One step ahead. Nice Porto. Makatumbas. The leading scorer of Balod team. Bagon.
15 to shoot.
Nice pass to Kalaban. Last touch Sorbias. Bola ng balod. May foul. Valentin.
27.
May foul na naman. 13 na naman.
Number 13, second. Second and foul. Warning. Hagnaya. Seconds to play. 20 to shoot.
May foul. Obias. Technical.
27.
Tapos.
Basket. Gis. 5. Seconds. 36 seconds. Basket. 25 seconds. No more shot clock. 15 seconds to play. 10.
Basket. Back to back basket. By Biasong. 3 points. Airball. Time. That's the end of first quarter.
Score 14-7.
In favor of Balot.